welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. I've been meaning to do this video for so long and here we are. I'm going to share my 10 favorites with you guys right now. These are products that I'm absolutely obsessed with. I was totally inspired by Nidhi's video. She shared her own favorites and then I was like, I need to share mine because I have some really good products that I've been using. I have some really good products for you guys and some like random things also that I want to share with you. So let's start with the first product. Okay, I have it bilkul samne hi. The first product that I have for you is by L'Oreal Paris and this is the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Moisture range. So this is the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Moisture range and I really like this. So this range has a shampoo, a conditioner and also this Hydra Filling Night Cream. My hair is going through 5 stages of grief right now. My hair is just not hairing the way it used to. I think I need to really just chop it all off now. This Hyaluron range has really shown me a good result. मतलब मेरे जो ends वगैरह है वो काफ़ी हद तक better हो गए हैं. यहाँ से नहीं बिल्कुल horse tail जैसे लगने लगे थे. They were so rough. And I just did not like even touching my own hair. This night cream especially is such a boon. इसको आपको dry length पे ही लगाना होता है. शैम्पू करने के बाद लगा लो या फिर एक दिन छोड़ के लगा लो. It depends on you. And even the shampoo and conditioner, it has made my hair super smooth and nourished. Like I can literally see a difference after I've used these products. So for me, this range is a 10 on 10. Okay, next product is this. This has really changed my life and how. This is the 52 Sundays SPF 50 Clear Glow Mist. The packaging is so cute. मैंने इस पे एक full review type का किया था. मैंने डाला है उसको अपने शॉर्ट्स में. इसका रिव्यू करके मैंने डाला था. दिस प्रोडक्ट इज अ गेम चेंजर. आई डोंट नो व्हाई मोर पीपल आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस. इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी हो गई. इट्स ऑलरेडी लाइक अबव 40 डिग्रीज हियर. समथिंग लाइक दिस इज जस्ट अमेजिंग. क्योंकि अगर आपने मेकअप कर रखा है या फिर अगर आप बाहर हो तो आप सनस्क्रीन कितनी बार ही लगा सकते हो. समटाइम्स इट्स जस्ट नॉट पॉसिबल कि आप बाहर हो एंड आप सनस्क्रीन लगा लो ऐसे ही. सो दिस इज जस्ट सो ईजी टू डू. मतलब इसको बस आपको स्प्रे करना है एंड वॉला यू आर डन. मैं क्या करती हूँ, मैं ऐसे 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 3 बार इसको स्प्रे करती हूँ सो दैट माई एंटायर फेस इज कवर्ड. इट हैज़ सच अ गुड मिस्ट. इट डज नॉट डिस्टर्ब माई मेकअप व्हाटसोएवर. मेरा फेस इतना ग्लोई लगता है इसको लगाने के बाद. एंड आई लव दैट दिस हैज़ SPF 50 UVA UVB PA+++. तो इसमें सब कुछ ही है. दिस इज सच अ ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज समथिंग दैट आई कैन नॉट स्टॉप यूजिंग. आई हैव बीन यूजिंग इट फॉर स्ट्रेट 3 months एंड मुझे पता है मैं इसको पूरे साल यूज़ करती रहूँगी. दिस इज बाय हाउस ऑफ मेकअप एंड दिस इज द skin tint. This is what it looks like. So this also has SPF 25++++. SPF 25 might not be a lot, but जब आप अपना स्किन केयर कर रहे हो तब तो आप SPF लगाओगे, उसके ऊपर ये भी लगाओगे तो आपको एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटेक्शन ही मिलेगी. It looks beautiful on the skin. I'm wearing it today as well and this is one of the best skin tints that I've ever used. For the longest time I was using my Maybelline का skin tint and मैं ना बोर हो गई थी अब उसको यूज़ करके. I already had this product in my vanity and when I started using this I was absolutely amazed. This is such a lightweight product. It barely feels like anything on your skin and it says that it blurs and smooths for glass skin that glows. Now I won't say it gives you glass skin or anything but it does make your skin look pretty smooth. इतनी गर्मी में ना ये प्रोडक्ट बहुत ही सही है क्योंकि आपको थोड़ा सा कवरेज भी मिल जाएगा एंड आपको फाउंडेशन नहीं लगाना एंड आप अगर चाहो ना तो कंसीलर भी स्किप कर सकते हो. मैंने आज कंसीलर लगाया है बट अगर मैं डे टू डे बेसिस में बाहर जाती हूँ और इसको लगाती हूँ तो मैं कंसीलर नहीं लगाती हूँ. ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ती. इसको लगाओ, थोड़ा सा पाउडर लगाओ एंड टिंट लगाओ, यू आर एनीवे गुड टू गो. एंड दिस ब्लेंड्स लाइक अ ड्रीम. इफ यू आर स्किन टिंट गर्ली you really need to try this and I'm telling you will love it. Next 2 products are lip products and I have more SPF things to share with you. I mean गर्मियाँ आ गई, अब क्या करें, SPF चाहिए ही होता है. This is a lip balm by Wishcare and this is what it looks like. So this is the ceramide lip balm and this is tinted. This has SPF 50 PA+++. It gives you a barely there, बहुत ही natural सा tint है इसका. Look at that. And it really moisturizes the lips so well. I've been using this non-stop, like literally non-stop. You guys know I love me some moisturizing products, so this is coming so handy these days. My lips are perpetually dry. I have accepted कि वो dry ही रहेंगे, अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता उनका. But because of this excellent formula, my lips feel a lot better. This is a one and done type of product and the fact that it has SPF 50, yes, like double yes. This is very affordable as well, so this is not going to burn a hole in your pocket. Next product is a lip and cheek tint, and I cannot stop using this. This is the Kiro Afterglow lip and cheek tint. This comes in 4 beautiful shades: Rose Apple, Fuchsia Blaze, Beach Peach, and my favorite Raspberry Compote. This has a super lightweight formula and it gives you a seamless non-patchy look. It has an amazing pigmentation. The formula is buildable, so ऐसा नहीं है कि आप बस थोड़ा सा लगाओगे and you will end up looking like a clown. You can either go for an everyday sheer look for your office, for your college, or you can layer it and make it as dramatic as you want for your parties or whatever. This goes on the skin so smoothly and the application is so easy. It blends like a dream. You can use a brush, you can use your fingers, whatever you like. For me, this is literally the summer product this year. It is multi-purpose and travel friendly, and also the shades are beautiful. I've been reaching out for this literally every single time I do my makeup. Try this once, you guys. You will really like this product. Okay, this next product, you guys are not going to take me seriously, but I'm so serious right now. Milk Bikis, you guys. Milk Bikis. I have gone through, I think, 3 or 4 packets of these. I cannot stop eating them. Every single morning I dip it in my coffee, and it is literally the most amazing experience of my entire life. Every single night when I sleep, मैं सोचती हूँ मैं सुबह उठ के कॉफ़ी बनाऊँगी. ये तो मेरा constant thought होता है. Like I sleep thinking about waking up and having coffee. That really motivates me to wake up the next day. But these days Milk Bikis have been a good addition. मैं daily रात को ये सोचती हूँ कि मैं सुबह उठूँगी, कॉफ़ी में Milk Bikis dip करके उसको खाऊँगी. I know a lot of people will come at me saying it's not healthy, सुबह सुबह ये नहीं खाना चाहिए, ये वो. Guys, you only live once. मैं यही बोल के 4 खा लेती हूँ हर दिन, and I have no regrets. I will continue to eat it because these little things make me so happy. And these are biscuits. Like ठीक है यार, at the end of the day these are biscuits. But seriously, Milk Bikis, where have you been all my life? I really love eating them. I have a lipstick recommendation for you, and this is by Prosh. This is the beautiful packaging. Look at that. And this is the shade High Tea. I'm sure आप लोगों ने इसको Instagram पे तो देखा ही होगा. This is a very famous shade, and I also got influence, and that is why I got it. This is the shade. I'm wearing it today on my lips. I also have that Kiro lip tint. थोड़ा सा मैंने लगाया था, उसके ऊपर मैंने ये वाला shade लगाया. It is such a gorgeous shade, and it has a creamy matte formula, which is personally my favorite type of formula because it does not dry out your lips. Of course, it is not transfer proof, but I do not care about that, and it just simply looks too pretty. I'm so happy I got this shade. This is a perfect everyday type of shade. Also, this can be your signature shade. It has all the good qualities. This kind of reminds me of Nude Nuance by Maybelline, but इसका shade थोड़ा different है उससे. It complements a lot of the looks. This is actually a very good lipstick. Next, I have makeup brushes. So these brushes are by Cuffs and Lashes, and these have really changed my makeup game. मैंने अपने पूरे brush set को change कर लिया, and I added some new brushes. All of these were new. I've been using them for the past, I don't know, 4-5 months now, and a lot of my eye brushes are also from Cuffs and Lashes. But these face brushes, these are just absolutely amazing. I've been using Cuffs and Lashes brushes on and off for years, of course, but now 80% of my makeup brushes are just by Cuffs and Lashes. And I'm not saying all of this because Nidhi is my friend. Cuffs and Lashes तो पता नहीं कितने सालों पहले खुला था, and Nidhi has been my friend for like 7-8 years at this point. But because last year जब मैंने अपना पूरा brush collection change कर दिया and I started incorporating more Cuffs and Lashes brushes on an everyday basis, I just truly saw a difference in how my makeup turns out. My favorite is this foundation brush. This is the F013. Look at the shape of this. It's like the perfect brush, and ये under eyes में भी इतने अच्छे से आपका foundation, concealer जो भी आपको लगाना है सब blend कर देता है. It is so soft, and I just really love this brush. The second is this Cuffs and Lashes 040. This is from Pro Range or something, शायद ये उसी का है. एंड इससे मैं अपने सारे क्रीम ब्लशेस, क्रीम ब्रॉन्जर सब कुछ ब्लेंड करती हूँ. देन आई हैव द F012. दिस इज एन एंगल ब्रश, एंड दिस इज absolutely perfect to contour your face, or you can even apply blush with this. आप थोड़ा सा इसे pinch करके highlighter भी लगा सकते हो. Then I have the F014, which is a powder brush, and this is what it looks like. This is the perfect powder brush, and I use this all over my face to set my face. The last brush, I cannot do my makeup without this, and this is the F011. This is what it looks like. एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई यूज टू ब्लेंड माई कंसीलर. आजकल मैं टचअप करती हूँ अपने कंसीलर को आफ्टर डू माई ब्लश सो दैट इट इज मोर सीमलेस. कोने कोने से इससे इतना अच्छे से सब कुछ ब्लेंड होता है ना विदाउट डिस्टर्बिंग द रेस्ट ऑफ माई मेकअप. एंड दीज आर सुपर अफोर्डेबल brushes as well, so I would highly recommend you guys to check out these brushes. These are my super favorites. Okay, next let's talk about reading. I have been reading books again and I have been having a really good time. This is my little library right here and मेरे पास 2 books है जो मैं अभी पढ़ रही हूँ. And I like light hearted books. I hate motivational books, which is why I was very surprised to like this book. This is Atomic Habits and I'm sure कि बहुत लोगों ने इस book के बारे में सुना होगा. I've not read it completely yet. मैंने इसको थोड़ा सा ही पढ़ा है अभी तक, बट दिस काइंड ऑफ added value to my life. मैंने इसके पहले जितने भी motivational books पढ़े हैं, every single one of them had just irritated me. But reading this actually added some type of insight. It made me learn something new. Now, of course, I have not read it completely and it will take me a lot of time to go through this. I can literally read one book a day because when I'm into it, I want to read it all in one day. So in comparison, this book is taking me a lot of time, but it's okay. This does not have world building or any type of fantasy, romance or anything. It's more factual, तो ठीक है. Like I don't have to go through it in one single sitting. If you are someone like me who feels a little stuck in life and आपको motivation नहीं मिल रही and you are kind of disappointed in yourself, you should definitely read this. I think this will add a lot of value to you and you will feel good even if you do 1% better every single day. That's the main crux of the book. So I really felt better after reading a few chapters of this. It literally says tiny changes, remarkable results. Other than that, I have Fourth Wing and Iron Flame जो मुझे दोनों पढ़नी है. ये रही and these are like fat books. Now this I will not be able to read in one day but maybe 2-3 days में मैं इसको ख़त्म कर सकती हूँ. These are really famous on BookTok and also on Book YouTube. So I really want to sit and just read them. I'm just waiting for the right time and once that comes I'm just going to literally eat this book up. I know that. मैंने already इसके बहुत reviews देखे हैं. Another book that I really like that I'm taking my time to read is this one. This is I Want to Die But I Also Want to Eat Tteokbokki. I think Namjoon recommended this book a long time ago. I'm not sure, but this is basically a patient and her conversation with her therapist. And to be honest, a lot of it hits home and it is taking me a lot of time because थोड़ा मुझे ना heavy, like ऐसे इतना heavy नहीं है, but I cannot explain it. When you read someone else's conversation with the psychiatrist or with the therapist, it hits different. And because this touches on some really difficult topics, I did not want to go through it in one sitting. This is something that I can probably read in like 2 hours. I'm not even kidding. But I want to take my time with this and I don't want to just read it for entertainment. I also want to read it to experience the entire conversation. I don't know if it makes sense, but it makes sense in my head. This actually just makes me think that there are a lot of people like me and maybe उनके struggles exactly same नहीं होंगे मेरे जैसे, but काफ़ी similar lives है, you know. So it's just a good reminder on some days. I have a lot of books to go through you guys and बस वही है कि अगर मैं पढ़ने बैठ गई ना फिर मैं कोई काम नहीं कर सकती because I get into it. But धीरे धीरे I want to make reading a habit as in थोड़ा सा पढ़ो every single day rather than एक साथ पढ़ लो. But पता नहीं वो habit कब टूटेगी मेरी. Anyway, those are some of my book recommendations. I hope you like them. And the last product that I have for you that I cannot stop using these days is a perfume. This is the Armaf perfume and this is called Club de Nuit and this is sort of a dupe for Chanel's Mademoiselle. This is literally one of the best perfumes that I've ever bought. This is the closest dupe of Mademoiselle that I've found. Mademoiselle मेरे ना list of things में है that I want to buy eventually. It's a very expensive perfume but this is such a close dupe that I'm like कि चलो ठीक है वो नहीं भी लिया तो चलेगा. This smells so good. This looks so good and luxurious. Like look at that bottle you guys. इतना ज़्यादा luxurious है ये. I think this I bought on sale for around 3,000 rupees. If you like orange blossom के notes and if you like something a little bit strong and sexy, oh you will love this. Now this will not give you a headache. ऐसे strong नहीं है ये, but it's strong as in once you enter the room, people will notice you there even if you apply the tiniest bit of amount, because it has such a different and such a nice scent. Every time I apply this, I get compliments because it is that good, and I cannot recommend this enough to people. I'm so glad that I got it. जब से मैंने खरीदा है, I think this is one of my most worn perfumes and I have not even made such a big dent. मतलब थोड़ा सा dent हुआ है but इतना नहीं हुआ है. देखो, this is going to last me a long time. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I will leave links to all the products in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Let me know if you like this video and if you want me to do more of these, and let me know your favorite products, books, snacks, whatever you want to share in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.